you doing?
Good?
Yeah. Okay, why do you have an umbrella?
Because it's really sunny out.
That's not the point of it.
It keeps me shady.
Okay, then.
It makes me feel good.
Okay.
You want to feel good with me?
No, I do not.
I think you do.
No.
I think you do.
I think you do.
Hi there.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Why do you have an umbrella?
It keeps it shady.
And sunny?
No, just shady.
What's Sadie?
Because it makes me feel good.
Makes you feel good.
Yeah. You want to feel good with me?
No.
Yes, you do.
You want to feel good with me. Why doesn't anybody want to feel good with me? Hello.
Yes.
It's you again.
Oh, yeah, I'll call you back, okay? Yeah, what do you want now? I should get up. Starting now.
Want to feel good with me now?
Oh my god, I already said no!
please.
Want a free phone?
Yes.
If you go away, I'll give it to you!
Okay.
Too bad.
Feel good with me.
Ah!
Feel good with me.
What's wrong?
What's wrong? Nobody wants to feel good with me.
Oh?
You want to feel good with me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's feel good.
Hey! No! No! Finally dead. Hey, now I can make my phone call. Yeah, I'm back.
2.
B.
Continued. Yeah.